Hello, my beautiful people, and welcome to day 4 of our Sweat and Sculpt Challenge. Let's get right into it. So first up, we have some squats, all right? Good old-fashioned squats. These are great for working the entire body, your core, your back, your legs, all of it, all right? Just make sure you have proper form here, all right? Nice straight back, we're not arching, all right? If your knees are passing your toes, maybe don't go down so much, all right? Quality over quantity here. Breathing, chin up, chest up, very good. Squeezing as you straighten your legs, squeeze your butt, squeeze your thighs, all of that, all right? Taking your time, very good. And 3, 2, 1, squeeze, 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 and release, very good. Next, we have some good mornings, all right? So we're going to open up, open, 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 little back bend, and then you're gonna reach towards your legs, all right, in between your legs, just down if you can, all right, whatever flexibility looks like on you. Everyone's different, just take your time, all right, using your core muscles to bring you up and down, making sure you have a nice tight back, nice tight stomach, very good. Breathing in as you come up, exhale as you come down, very good, and 3, 2, 1, and coming up, very, very good. Next, we have some wide butt kicks, so wider stance. All right, we're gonna try to kick our own butts. It looks as it sounds, all right? So this is great for your hamstrings, this stretches your quads, all right? Even take some core for balancing, all right? So anytime you feel out of balance, check on your core, all right? Make sure it's nice and tight. That is what's gonna help you balance. Nice flex foot as it comes up. Very good. Chin up, good posture. And breathing. And 3, 2, 1. Together, wiggle it out, very good. Last but not least, we have some high knee jacks. So like jumping jacks, we're not jumping, we're using our high knees. All right, feet together, all right, hands come up as knee comes up, and then switch. All right, so these are high knee jacks. I'll give you some other variations if you wanna do some step jacks instead. You can do those as well. Or if you like those butt kicks, you can do butt kick jacks, or even good old fashioned jumping jacks if you feel up to it. All right, if not, we're here, nice and tight, using your core muscles to bring your knee up. All right, very good. So keep a nice straight spine. And 3, 2, 1, and there we have it, set 1. Moving right to set 2, big breath. Starting with our squats. Good posture, breathe, you got this, let's go.
Subscribe today to see every workout as it drops.
Breathe in your nose, out your mouth, very good. Chin up. Two, 1, squeeze, 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 and good mornings. Let's go. Breathe as you come up, inhale, exhale as you come down. Very good. And 3, 2, 1, and coming up, wiggle it out, very good. Wide butt kicks, let's go. Nice strong posture. Push your shoulders away from your ears. Breathe. And 3, 2, 1. Very good. Wiggle, wiggle, wiggle. High knee jacks. Let's get it. And 3, 2, 1. Celebrate. 2 sets done. 1 more to go. You got this. Big breath. Starting with our squats. Good posture. Breathe. You got this. Let's go.
Subscribe today to see every workout as it drops.
Breathe in your nose, out your mouth. Very good. And 3, 2, 1. Squeeze, squeeze, squeeze. And good mornings. Let's go. Breathe as you come up. Inhale. Exhale as you come down. Very good. And 3, 2, 1. And coming up. Wiggle it out. Very good. Wide butt kicks. Let's go. Nice strong posture. Push your shoulders away from your ears. Breathe. And 3, 2, 1. Very good. Wiggle, wiggle, wiggle. High knee jacks. Let's get it. And 3, 2, 1. And there we have it, my beautiful people. Just like that, day 4 is done and dusted. I hope you liked it. I hope you are feeling it, sweating a little bit. All right, out of breath. Let me know in the comments below which move was your favorite, and I will see you tomorrow with Coach Greg for day 5.